Hi, Poepping here. We're going to go over mixing chambers, more specifically what to look for and when to throw them away. And this goes for the PC gun or the Fusion Air Purge gun. The number one thing you want to watch for is scratching on the side of the chamber. This is the surface that your side seal rubs on. So now you're going to take your front drill and you're actually going to spin it around backwards. You're going to put that in your chamber. That thing should hardly move around in there. Should be nice and tight and snug. If you've got a really old chamber that you've been drilling it out a lot, we're talking maybe 1-2 years old, you can't seem to get a good pattern out of it, take it out of your gun, clean it up, and do the backwards drill test. That thing should be tight and snug. If it's wobbling around, more than likely you've maybe oblonged out the hole a little bit. You never will get a good pattern out of it then. Those are a few things to do to take care of your chamber and what to look for when it's time to throw it away.